Hello, you are welcome to this video. In this video, I want to show you 4 factors that can increase the rates of conversion. What is conversion? Conversion is the action people are taking towards your ad. The reason you are running ad is so that people can take action. Take for instance, you are selling something. You want people to come and buy. The reason you are running that ad is so that people can take action. If you are selling something and people are not bringing out their card to pay for your product, it means there is no conversion. Conversion is when people come to Facebook to just have fun. They are not coming to buy. But by the time they see your ad and they visit your website and see, I cannot live without buying this thing, I need to buy. That means there is a conversion. Your ad is causing them to bring out their ATM card and start paying for your product even if they were not ready initially. So that is what we call conversion. Now let's quickly look at 4 factors that can cause people to bring their ATM card and start paying for your product. Number 1 is you need to prove to them beyond reasonable doubt that you are not a scammer. A lot of things are happening online, especially in Nigeria, and people don't trust people. People don't trust anybody. So if you look at it, in Nigeria, offline is a little bit better than online because of the fraudulent activities online. People are too skeptical. So if you are doing online business or you are selling something online, you are promoting something online, you need to go extra mile. You need to prove to them that you are not a scammer. And one of those things that you are going to use to prove to them is you are going to use screenshots of the comments from your past customers. The more the number of comments, the better. Because if there are not many, they can still believe that perhaps you paid somebody to make that comment for you, or it is your brother or it is your friend that is making that comment. So if those comments are many, it will go a long way to prove to them that these comments are many. I'm not sure this person hire somebody to make this kind of comment. It's one of those things that is going to make them to pay for your product. Then number B, video testimonials from your past customers. Of all the testimonials, video is the best, because for somebody to show his face in a video and talk about you, it means that person has really benefited from your product. A lot of people don't like to show their face. They don't like people to see them talk. They don't like to show their face. So for somebody to actually bring out a camera and appear and show his face and talk about you, it means there is an element of truth in that thing. There is an element of seriousness in that thing. So if somebody is able to make a video testimonial for you, a customer is able to make a video testimonial for you, that is going to help you make a lot of sales. So do all you can to get a video testimonial from your customers. Whatever you can do to get a video testimonial, make sure you do it as many as possible. Not one. Get as plenty as possible. The more the number, the better for you. So do all you can, especially at the beginning of your business, to get as many video testimonial as possible. And that will lead me to request a video testimonial from you. If this course has really helped you in any way, I will appeal to you to kindly make me a video testimonial so that we can help ourselves to grow. All right, let's go further. The C part of it is use real and specific numbers. Don't generalize figures. For instance, if you are telling your customers that your prospective customers on your website or even in a chat, maybe you want to tell them that you have served so many customers in the past. Don't tell them so many customers. Tell them you have served about 1,100. Specific number: 501 customers, 510 customers, 100 customers, 2 customers. Be specific about the numbers. Don't just generalize it. Or perhaps you want to say, I started this business for so many years ago. I have been into this business for long. Don't just say I have been into this business for long. Be specific about it. Tell them that you have been into this business for about a year now, or for about 4 years now, for about 10 years now. Mention those numbers. It will go a long way to validate your claim. You can tell them that I have been into this business for about 1.5 years now. Be specific about it. It will prove to them that you are telling the truth. But if you generalize it that we have so many customers all over the nation, it's not specific. You have to be very, very specific. We have customers in 5 states in Nigeria, customers in Abuja, we have customers in Lagos. Be specific about it. Okay, number 2, make them feel it is a great deal. What do I mean by that? Let them feel that it is they are the ones cheating you, and not the other way around, not the other way that you are the one that is going to cheat them. If they feel that you are the one cheating them, they are not going to buy. It is when they feel that they are actually going to benefit a lot from this, that is when they are going to buy. They will feel that they are cheating you. That is the way Nigeria reasons. So you are going to do this in the form of discount. You are going to prove to them that you are giving them a discount, and you are going to state the figure, the percentage discount. You are going to give them bonus, and you are going to reduce the price for them. They like that you reduce the price for them. They feel that you have reduced the price, or they feel that they are getting extra. That extra is what we call bonus. So you add something that will make them feel that it is a great deal. It is when it's a great deal that they will not want to leave it. They want to pay now. Even if it means borrowing to pay, they will want to pay. Have you ever run ad that somebody is begging you that please, when is the expiring date for the promo? It means that person has seen the value of that thing. He has seen that this is a great deal, that you wouldn't want to miss it. He will be begging you, please let me go and borrow money and pay. That means he has seen it that it's a great deal. So make them feel so. Then number 3, create a sense of urgency. Let the offer have a deadline. Now, after somebody has seen that the deal is a great one, the next thing is that you are not going to allow them feel that deal is going to be forever. The moment they feel that it is going to be forever, they are not going to take action. They will want to postpone it, because they will feel that the money in their account now, they will use it for something else first. Later they can do this one. They will say later they can do it, and in most cases they never do it again. They are not going to come back again. So you are going to make it, after you have provided a great deal for them, the next thing, you are going to launch a sense of urgency. Let them take action now. If they cannot take action now, then they are not going to get that great offer. Let them feel like that, so that If it means for them to go and borrow, they will borrow it. That is what is going to make them pay. That is what is going to make them take action. If not, they will postpone it, and by the time they postpone, you have lost the customer. Okay, let's go to the last part of it, which is social proof. Social proof is how many people like what you are selling on social media. The number of people that like it, the better for you. If 1,000 people like it, you know, the characteristic of people is that people tend to like what other people like. If there are no people that like it, then they will feel that it is of poor quality. But if no matter how poor the quality is, if 2 million people like it, they are going to buy it. Why? Because of the number of people that have already liked it. That a good number of people like it prove that it's already a good product. So you are going to utilize this social proof to get as many conversion as possible. And that is why when you are running ad, the number of likes that you have on your ad is going to increase your conversion rate. The number of like you have, the number of comment you have, the number of video views you have. So it is going to increase the number of conversion drastically. It is going to prove whether you are going to make more sale or not. And let me tell you how you are going to get this social proof. To get this social proof, the strategy you are going to use is make sure you serve your customer, your first set of customer very well. Do all you can to serve them very well, because as you are going to run ad, your ad is going to come before them whether you like it or not. And they will be the one to make those social proof. They will be the one to make comment that yes, this guy is the correct guy, that his product is very nice, I got value from this, this guy is the man. They are the one that are going to be making all those comments. It is your past customers. So if you have not served your past customers very well, you are going to be missing this social proof. By the time you start running ad and your ad is going to come before them, they are going to be making nasty comments on your ad. They are going to say it's a scrap, that this product is a scrap, it's nonsense, it's rubbish. By the time they start saying all those comments, you are going to be losing tons of conversion rates. So make sure you serve your first set of customers very well. Let them feel as if you are the best. And as a matter of fact, make it a form of attitude to always serve your customer very well. You shouldn't limit it to your first set of customer alone, but make it an attitude to always serve your customer very well. It will go a long way to improve your business in the future. So this is where we are going to stop for this video, and I hope you get some value from this video. If you do, I'd like you to give me a video testimonial, and I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.